Hey everyone! Lately, there's been a lot of buzz online about a screenshot from a PPT slide. This slide was shown by an OpenAI speaker at the VivaTech conference in Paris, and it hinted at something really exciting. So, what's the big hint? Well, it suggested the arrival of GPT-5. Or, as they might end up calling it, GPT Next. Think of it like naming a superhero. You don't always follow numbers, right? For now, it's just GPT Next. Now, when can we expect this amazing GPT Next? According to the slide, there's a timeline showing it could be ready between November and December this year. Some rumors had mentioned a summer release, but that's not likely now. Why November, you ask? Here's an interesting theory from an American user. It could be tied to the US elections. OpenAI's CTO, Mari, tweeted that they won't release GPT Next until they're sure it won't mess with the election. But why would GPT-5 be a problem during elections? Imagine searching for something on Google and getting different results before and after ChatGPT launched. Before ChatGPT, search results were pretty accurate. But now, it's flooded with so much AI-generated content that it's harder to find real and trustworthy information. This flood of AI content could mislead people, especially during important times like elections. OpenAI worries that GPT Next might create so much believable, yet false information, that people can't tell what's real anymore. And that's a huge deal because it can influence how people think and vote. Let's take another example, TikTok. Some people believe that TikTok can make anyone or anything popular using its algorithms. They think that sometimes, TikTok deliberately boosts certain people or places. For example, someone named Guayutsai suddenly became a sensation on TikTok, and people suspect it was engineered by TikTok itself. If TikTok really has the power to create trends like that, it's easy to see why some folks in the US are worried about its influence. Imagine the impact if such a tool is used to sway opinions. There's also the concern about the algorithms behind these technologies. Big language models like GPT are so complex that even their creators can't always explain how they work. If parts of the algorithm can be manipulated on purpose, that's really scary. So, coming back to the point, OpenAI delaying GPT Next might be because they're being careful about its potential impact on society, especially during elections. It shows how seriously they're taking the responsibilities that come with powerful AI technology. What do you think? It's fascinating to see how tools meant to help us can also have such a huge impact on big events like elections. Let's hope they find a way to balance innovation with safety.